Hello everyone, hope you have been well. It looks like silver has topped temporarily. The reason is there is a X, A, B, C, D. This is very bad. And also traditionally this is a double top, right? If we look at future, it is similar. X, A, B, C, D slightly exceeded X point. So this is between bat and butterfly, and also double top, right? So temporarily it looks like silver topped again. So coming week, right? If this bounce a little bit, I'm going to sell it, right? Temporarily. So my stop would be this one, right? X point, right? Closing above X point, right? And then target is usually B point. But in this case, because, okay, let me step back a little bit. Let's make it bigger. Oh, sorry. Let's go to clean chart here, right? So let me get rid of this one. So because of this big bearish pattern, right? So instead of the usual target B point, the small one, so I'm going to have a bigger target this time. So meaning here, right? X, A, B, C, D. Instead of B point target, minimum between A and C, right? So somewhere around here, that's my first target. And then after that, I'm gonna trail my stop, right? Because there's a chance it can fall beyond A point, below like this one. So again, this is a short-term trade, right? As a reminder, I am very bullish on silver, right? So okay, let's go here, right? Because of this one, right? This huge bullish bet, right? 12-year long bullish bet. Because of this one, I am bullish on silver, right? And we are on wave 3, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. And I believe we are in the process of making wave 4, right? So let's see how far it can go, right? And I believe this bull market started in March 2020. At least we have 5 more years, right, to go. And then my target is $300, right? So about six times from here, right? So I'm very bullish on silver, and I have been long silver since April, right? April 7, right? This bottom, right? This capitulation bottom. And then until October 13th, right? I have been long silver until here, right? And then I got out because of this temporary top, right? So usually in a strong bull market, the correction is about 2 to 3 months, right? That's why I believe this correction may last until December or January next year, right? But we have this short-term trade as well, right? So this one, X, A, B, C, D. This one may last 2 to 3 weeks. Or remember, I said a few times, market corrects 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 12, 18 time units, right? So there's a chance this trade may last until 2 to 3 weeks, right? Which which is about December 1st or 2nd week, right? So I will see, first of all, in December 1st week or 2nd week, how far silver have fallen at that point, right? It could be somewhere stopped here because silver is quite strong, or something serious could happen and then it may fall further, right? I don't know at this point, but let's see, okay, in 2 to 3 weeks at least. And because 2 to 3 weeks is falls in December, right? I don't know whether the bigger correction, right? The bigger correction. Sorry, let's go here. This bigger correction. I don't know whether it'll finish in December or January, right? So in my plan is in first week of December, if I see some bullish signs, right, bullish patterns, I may start buying again, right? My silver stock, right? So just this one at this point, it's just speculation. I'm not sure it'll actually happen. There's a chance X, A, B, C, D somewhere, right? It could be bullish bat or it could be bullish butterfly like this, right? I have no idea at this point, right? And I'm not even sure it may go down up to here, right? It may stop it here, right? It may not even form a bullish pattern, harmonic pattern at all, right? So it's too early at this point, but let's see whether it passes B point and keep falling, right? So, and if it form like this bullish pattern in first 2 weeks of December, I'm going to start buying half positions, right? Of HL, Hekla mining, right? At that point. And then I will see, right? And it may bounce and then it may fall again until January. If that happens, I'll buy more in January. Okay, that's my plan. I don't think it'll fall beyond January, but there's no such rule. But if it falls beyond, then I'll see at that point. But at this point, my base scenario is this correction, long-term correction, right? This one, I think it will finish by January next year, some around. So sharp correction or somewhere around here, right? So I don't know at this point. Okay, but when that happens, right? When that happens, and especially in the process, it forms like this bullish pattern, right? Something like this, right? My base scenario is $30.10, right? Precise. Yeah. But I'm not sure it'll get there. But if it happens, right, then I'm going to buy a lot of HL because I believe this bull market is not usual bull market. It's once in a few decades bull market, right? Here. This one. I believe it will last at least 5 more years, right? And then the target is 300. I think eventually it'll get reached, right? So to me, it's a once in a few decades chance, if not once in a lifetime chance, right? So I'm going to buy a lot when this correction is over. Okay? Thanks for watching. Have a great day.